Hi mga kalas! I just got home from the TikTok Philippines 2023 Creator Day. And while I'm doing this unboxing from the loot bags that I got from TikTok Philippines, I'd like to share with you some stories para, alam niyo yun, isang bagsakan na lang. I'd like to start this video by thanking TikTok Philippines for all the opportunities that open door for so many creators like me, no matter how big or small. I started my journey as a live streamer actually. I competed with other countries for international PK battles. Pero hindi doon nag-stop yung opportunities na binigay ng TikTok. They even presented us with the affiliate program. I'm very privileged also to be part of the pioneer batch of the TikTok shop when it was launched in April 2022. So anyway, going back to the unboxing. So I got 2 packages because makapalang mukha ko. Talagang sinalihan ko lahat ng games at saka nag-participate talaga ako. And we're very lucky because nanalo rin ako sa raffle. So simulan natin yung pinakabonggang package. So, just wanna show you what I got. By the way, namigay sila ng 20 pieces ng 5,000 GCs ng Jollibee. Special shoutout sa Jollibee at Chowking because binusog nyo kami at marami kaming nakapag-sharon. So, thank you so much. This one is so perfect. To be honest with you, ang tagal na nito sa aking basket. Pero hindi ko siya ma-check out because napakamahal. So, this is that one. It's a very good vlogging starter kit. So, thank you TikTok Philippines. And then ito, shoutout pala kay ate kasi nakipag-agawan ako sa kanya ng pagsagot sa mga tanong sa stage. This is a very cute Bluetooth speaker. Kasi ganyan lang siya. Pwede mo siya isabit sa leeg mo. And the TikTok logo is so cute. Nakipag-agawan talaga ako sa stage. I mean, hindi naman nakipag-agawan, nakipag-unahan. Then we also have this selfie light. Ang bongga talaga ng ano nila. Na meron syempre TikTok logo. Talagang very legit na content creator. Thank you so much TikTok Philippines. And while I'm doing this pala, ayan, sumali rin ako sa Chowking Kinemper. And I'll show you some pictures nilagay ko dito. Syempre the Shoppo stickers, the TikTok stickers. What else? The keychain, ang cute. The pop socket ng Chowking. The magnet sticker ng Chowking. Ang kapal talaga ng mukha ko, guys. Kung lahat ng games talaga sinalihan ko. By the way, wait. Let me show you my fit check. Very linear bread ako. Ayan. Uy, grabe ang bilbil. Kotang-kota na to. Itong outfit ko na to kasi pinang birthday ko to noong 2021 hanggang ngayon. Ito pa rin ang outfit ko. Nakailang event na ako nito. Baka may gusto mag-sponsor ng outfit ko. Ayan. And then, dahil hindi ko kayang panindigan yun, nag-change outfit ako into a simple plain black shirt. So, nagmukha tuloy akong admin ng TikTok kasi lahat sila naka-black shirt. And then, shout out sa aking very pretty na seatmate na si Athena. Meron pa palang pin. Hala, ang cute. So, second loot bag na tayo. Meron siyang pamaypay. Meron siyang bucket hat. And we have t-shirts. Ang ganda, may logo siya. May open dito eh. Sabi ko sa inyo, sinalihan ko talaga lahat ng games. As in, sinalihan ko talaga para manalo ko ng mga prizes. You know why? Kasi hindi mo alam kung kailan ulit magkakaroon ng ganong events and hindi mo alam kung kailan ka ulit maiimbita sa mga ganong pagkakataon. And speaking of ganong pagkakataon, I also want to take this opportunity to thank my other co-creators na talaga namang big names na. Kilala halos ng karamihan. Special shout out yun kila Rose, si Incorrectly Rose. Napakabait na bata, very approachable. Si Archie, lahat kayo kilala niyo yan, lalo nung pandemic. Ang ating resident pharmacist. So, shout out sa'yo. Napaka-approachable din kasi there was a bingo game na kailangan namin magpapirma. And then, shout out din kay Coach Abby. I want to sincerely apologize for mistaken you as Coach Laika. Sorry po, but thank you kasi napaka-approachable, napakabait niya, hindi siya na-offend. Doon din si Jay Miranda, ang babe ng lahat. Sino pa ba? Ang dami, maraming foodie vlogger. Sobrang daming big names, pero napaka-approachable nila. alam mo yun, yung parang you can easily blend with them. And syempre, special shout out kay Miss Marie. Thank you so much, Miss Marie, for choosing me. I heard sobrang pili lang. Totoo naman, wala pang 100 yung participants. So, malalaman mo na talagang pili lang yung creators na invited sa event. And I'm very, very thankful. Some people will question it, bakit siya? Eh, hindi naman siya sikat. 200,000 lang yung followers niya. Hindi naman siya nag-weekly ranking, hindi na nga siya nagla-livestream. But you know what I realized? Because it's not what I only do. Kasi kagaya nun, hindi lang ako live streamer. I'm also a TikTok affiliate, and I'm also a content creator. So, napakaraming opportunity, multimedia talaga. So, many brands na yung na-help ko na mag-promote ng kanilang products. And I'm very, very grateful again. Babalik tayo dun sa sinabi natin na maraming salamat talaga sa TikTok Philippines. Alam niyo yun, we started using this app just to kill boredom. Magsayaw-sayaw lang dyan nung pandemic. But it really changed our lives 360. I met so many amazing people. And sobrang dami ko nang matatawag na katas ng TikTok from my iPhone 13, nakatas ng aking international PK battle, yung aking unang sofa, yung aking unang lamesa. Sinishare ko ngayon sa seatmate ko kay Athena. Sabi ko, mag-live ka na rin. Oy, si Mentor din pala nandun. Thank you so much, Mentor, kasi napaka-approachable mo. Sana manalo ka sa award ng TikTok Philippines. Yun. Thank you so much, TikTok Philippines, for giving this kind of opportunity. Especially sa mga kagaya kong nanay, single mom. I don't have to go out just to earn and get these kinds of opportunities, and it really helped me to make ends meet, and of course to share my journey as a single mom, and to also encourage others to be good at what they do. Ngayon may bago akong venture, yung business ko, so nag-start ako ng yung Craffles, which is na-inspired din ako because of my other co-creators na nag-a-upload ng mga videos nila with their products, na i-encourage ka magsimula ng business. So, grabe, sobrang laki talaga ng impact ng TikTok sa buhay nating lahat. Talagang totoo yung you will know who are big on small screen. Alam mo yun, ito lang yung TikTok ko. Nagsimula nga tayo ng 15 seconds content lang eh. And in just overnight, marami sa atin yung nabago yung buhay because nag-viral yung mga videos. So, anong takeaway ko from this event? Sabi nga ni Incorrectly Rose, you have to love what you do. You have to be consistent. Sabi ni Archie, you have to find your niche. Siguro kung may madadagdag lang ako, you also have to be true to yourself. Along the way, you will meet some people who will drag you down, who will doubt your ability, but just continue being a good person hanggat wala kang inaapakang tao, and just continue to share your knowledge, to share your blessings, because the universe will see who you truly are, how genuine you are with your intentions, and the universe will definitely reward you. And also, many people will leave you along the way. So, just straighten up your head, wear your crown, and be the queen bitch that you are. So, I think yun lang yung mga takeaway ko. Again, thank you so much, TikTok Philippines, for these amazing loots. And of course, for the opportunity again. Sabi nga nila, their mission is to create contents that help others, educate others, and entertain others, and of course, to inspire. So, yun. Thank you so much, TikTok Philippines. This has been Simply JC TV. See you again on your next events. Bye!